Okay, this is what I've been talking about throughout it's called IBotSMS. So this is your automated, ninja, SMS marketing plan. It's going to allow you to send out mass text just like this, okay? It's also going to allow you to create these beautiful bots. So you go here, you can create these bots. For example, you can say, hey, all these logic. So depending on what they're texting, right, they can also manipulate the responses based on the answer. I want to show it to you, okay? You can do that. You also have contact. You can capture people's phone number, email, name, city, whatever, okay? You can also go and export it out, okay? You can export it out anytime you want. You can also import. So if you have a list of text that you want to import, guess what? You can import it here as well. Or you can add a contact that you want to send an SMS to. So you can build your SMS list as well, okay? And also on top, you have this two-way texting platform. So beautiful. Let me show you the entire. Let's go ahead and click on bots. I'm going to click on this little button right here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and show you. So whenever somebody texts sales, I'm going to go ahead and click on, I'm going to show you this. Okay, this is the logic. Let's go ahead and open up my phone right here. Let's go ahead and text sales. Okay, let's see what happens. So first of all, so it's supposed to go sales. Now it's going to ask me what my name is. My name is Satish. You got the idea, from Dallas. My email is blah, blah, blah. You get the idea, right? It's just the email right here. And it's capturing my phone number, my email. What's my age, bro? My age is, I'm 21. Okay, I wish. What's my gender? Now take a look at this, okay? So if I say male, it's gonna say what's up, bro. If I say female, it's gonna say what's up, girl. So I'm gonna type up male. And guess what? What says what's up, bro, right? I'm gonna say good, right? Look, it says good man. So if I had so you can change the text based on their answer. And guess what happened right here? If I go to contacts, boom, it has already captured all this data for me. Like I said, I can export it out. I can import my own data, my own text information here as well. Now, anytime I can take over the conversation right here, I can say, hi, let's take a look at this. Okay, it says hi. I'm gonna say hi, hi. So you see, you can talk back and forth to your, customers, to your prospects. You can sell things. Think about it for a second, okay? You can, people might ignore emails. They're not going to ignore text. Okay, you can sell over here. You can do support. You can collect leads. You can give out freebies. You can do so many things. Okay, now let me show you more. There's more. There's more where that came. Let's go to bots. Okay. Now, how do you collect leads? You're asking, right? You have two ways. You can collect leads by having people text, hey, text sales to this phone number. Or, look, I do this on my website too. Let me show it to you, okay? I do it on my site too. I go to gracesteals.com. Look, I got text at this. When people text here, they'll get their email address, they'll get their phone number. It also allows you to go back here. You can go to widget and click right here. Guess what, okay? I can embed a form like this, okay? I can embed a form directly, right? I can just do, Satish and my phone number, and guess what? It's gonna capture it. Now, on here, you can change the, the way it look. I can make it orange. I can change what it says. For example, sales, right? I can make it go to a URL after after I'm done. I can change all these things. Like, I'm gonna save it, okay? And guess what? Refresh. Boom. Okay, look how cool that is, okay? And it has all the flags. It'll add the country code automatically. So what? You can collect, this is like your opt-in box for what? SMS, for your text. So you got that included. You got text to that as well. You saw it, right? You can create as many of these you want. You can come up here, you can click on add a response, okay? And let's say I can do equals if I want to be exact, or I can say contains. So for example, if I do contains, I can do I am, right? So let's say somebody texts saying, hey, I am an American. It will go and respond back. Okay, I am an Indian. It will respond back because it says I am. If I want to be exact, I can do this, right? I can go here and say, I want to be able to control the bot. Let's say somebody says free, right? I can click on continue, right? And guess what? Okay, from here, what I can do is So here's what I can do. I can also go ahead and add like bunch of messages here, right? And I can make it show random messages if I want to, right? For example, let's say I put 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to give out codes. I can do that as well. I can also enable notifications. So whenever someone texts here, I can send a text on a different phone number to say, hey, somebody text. You can see how this would be so useful for what? Sales, right? So let's go and take a click on the plus sign. And let's go ahead and do, I can ask a question, howdy, right? What's your name? And I can save that name like this, okay? And when they respond back, I can do a question, your email, whatever, right? And I can save their email, okay? And you get the idea. You can create these things. You can create these logics like I showed you. So you'll be able to do this, all of it, okay? And you got contacts, you got two-way messaging. You also have, you can send out mass text, okay? This is like so good. I got it all explained up on the tutorial, but you know what I mean. So you have it all. This is gonna be your next level SMS marketing ninja machine. So get it right now.